As of 2019, Sematron joined the Milexia family, building on our common partners and experience. Sematron was, and Milexia is, one of the leaders in satellite communication, and it is our goal to provide world-class Satcom products and solutions from our technical and sales centres based in France, Italy, Spain and the UK, for the whole of Europe and beyond. Milexia offers a full range of satellite communications equipment and services from world-leading suppliers, including Holkirk, Milexia Engineering and CPI, with a range of block-up converters and beacon receivers from Terrasat, Novella, Revgo, Comtech and Mission, either as single units or fully tested and integrated into our satellite terminal range. We also offer the latest in encoding and baseband and modulation solutions from MediaKind, BWS, ST Engineering, Comtech and AviWest. To monitor and control your content, we offer solutions from LTN, DVB Control and Prismon from Rode & Schwartz. And finally, we offer large antenna infrastructure support with products from Foxcom, ETI and our own Milexia Engineering products. With over 30 years of teleport engineering heritage, we can offer you pre-sale support, site surveys, system design and build for the complete support of your teleport and remote site applications. We can offer project management with on-site installation and system validation and final decommission. We'll be there with you from start to finish. To find out more about Milexia and how we can help you, please visit our website, give us a call, or why not arrange a video chat, and we'll be pleased to explain in more detail.